Let's find out why the blowtorch is acting up. To make disassembly easier, let's use a liquid wrench. Spray it on the evaporator tank connection, valve lock nut and nozzle. While the liquid works, we can unscrew the pump and drain the gasoline. We poured in clean fuel but drained out a lot of debris. After a few minutes, grab the evaporator, turn it counterclockwise and remove it along with the washer tray. You might think disassembly is done at this point, but each part needs to be taken apart down to the last screw. Using pliers, unscrew the nozzle. Shining a light reveals it's clogged, likely causing the unstable flame. Next, use a 14 mm wrench to remove the valve lock nut. Behind it, we unscrewed the valve and found a worn spring. The air was leaking, causing combustion. We then unscrewed the part where gasoline turns to vapor. The mixer and pipe were covered in soot, affecting combustion. The evaporators fully disassembled. Next, we dealt with the pump. We pulled out the washer with the piston rod. The rubber band that caused resistance was surprisingly intact. Looking inside the cylinder, we noticed slight wear due to lack of lubrication. It's still functional. At the cylinder's end, there's a nipple we unscrewed and removed with a screwdriver. Inside was a check valve with a rubber band behind it. The band had large cracks. The leather piston was fine, but we'll remove it for better restoration.